Number 21, multiply and simplify. So you have two steps here to do. First step, multiply. Second step, simplify. So if you multiply 6 times 15, what are you going to get? 6 times 5, how much?
5.
Very good. Excellent. You're so smart. Oh my God. And then we have this, right? What's the square root of 9? 3. Oh my God. You are so smart. So what's your final answer? Where are you going to put the answer? In the box. Okay, good. Next one, number 22. Multiply and simplify. So how many steps you have? 2. 3 times 2? Square root of 10 times square root of 14? 140, right? Okay, 140. Give me two numbers. One of them is perfect square number. Perfect square number. Okay, so give me two numbers, perfect square number. 14 and 10 is not, 14 is not perfect square number. I want a number that's squared. Like 2 squared is what? 4. 9 squared is how much? 9 squared. 81.
Oh, squared.
17 and 2.
17 and 2? 4? 35. Yes, that's a good number. So what's the square root of 4? 2. Square root of what? 35. So what will be your final answer? What's the final answer? 12 square root of 35. Very good. You're so smart today. Oh. No, we don't put anything here. Okay? No, it's just only positive. Okay? Next question, number 23. 36 square root of 12 over 6 square root of 2. You are not allowed to keep what? You're not allowed to keep square root of 2 down in the denominator. What should I do? Multiply times what? Square root of 2. If you play in the bottom, play in the top, right? So, is this clear? So, in the bottom is going to be what? 6 square root of what? 4. What's square root of 4? 6 times 2? Very good. You're so smart. And in the top, what do we have? 36 square root of what? 24. 36, 24 is what by what? 4 times 6. What's the square root of 4? 2. 2 times 36? 72. Very good. Now, can I cancel 72 and 12? What are you going to get? Divide by 6? Okay, by 6, what are you going to get? 2. By 6, what are you going to get? 12. Can I divide by 2? Can I divide by 2?
6.
So what's your final answer?
6.
Hmm?
6 over 1.
So what is this? Huh?
6 and 6.
What is this called? What is this? In English? 6 square root of 6. Is this clear? Next one. Simplify. Square root of q square. What's the answer? Q. Very good. You're so smart today. Oh my God. That's excellent. Number 25. Read Abdullah. Abaziz.
Simplify. Assume that the variables represent non-negative real numbers. X. It will be 0.
So what should I do here? If I bring this up, what's going to happen to the exponent? It's going to be plus or minus? Very good. Oh my God. You're so smart today. So it become what?
2.
And don't forget, what do we have outside? What do we have outside? What do we have outside? Square root, right? So what's the square root of x squared? Oh my God, you are so smart. You're going to get A in this course. 26. Cube root. This is called what? Cube root of what? Cube root of what? 270. Yalla, split it. What are you going to get? I need perfect cube number. Perfect cube number.
What?
Okay, yalla, tell me, what's the perfect cube number?
Non 30.
Yes, 27 times 10. Very good. 27 is what? By what?
3 9.
3 times 3 times 3, correct? So this one goes outside, it become what? 3. And what's left?
3. 10.
Cube root of 10. You're so smart. Oh my God. You know this very easy. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now we're going to do addition. Do we have the same square root?
Yes.
So we can add. Otherwise, we cannot add. 8 plus 5,
18.
square root of what? 3. So that gives you 13, square root of? Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, that's it. That's the answer. Next one. Do we have same square root?
No.
Abaziz, do we have same square root? No. So what about 20? Can I do something to the 20?
Yes.
What should I do to the 20? It become what? 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5.
But then you see
Plus 6. 45 is what by what?
9.
9.
9.
Very good. Now,
Yeah.
this will give you 4 square root of 5 minus 2 times 2.
4.
Very good. Square root of 5. Square root of 9. 3. 3 times 6.
18.
Square root of 5. Now, do we have same
Yes.
square root?
18.
Yes. So you have 4 minus 4 plus 18. And what's outside? So what's the final answer?
18.
Very good. You're so smart. This is easy for you, right? Because you took this before. That's why you're able to do it quickly. See? Being genius, it's not easy.
So,
It needs a lot of work. And all of you are genius. Next one. We go for rationalize a denominator. If I want to rationalize, I want to get rid of the square root of 7. What should I do? Multiply times what? If I want to get rid of square root of 7, multiply times what?
7.
Yes, square root of 7. And if you play in the bottom,
Yeah, so,
so what's the square root of 7 times square root of 7? Very good. What's the square root of 49? 7. And in the top, 7 times 6, 42. So your final answer is negative square root of 42 over 7. Easy? Number 30. This is what? Multiplication, correct? So if you multiply, what you're going to get? Square root of 1 over square root of what? What's the square root of 1? What's the square root of 16? Very good. You're so smart. Oh my God. You make things very much easy, right? You're a genius. Let's go next one. 13. I'm going to multiply how many times? 4 times. 9 times 9? 9 times negative square root of 8. Square root of 8 times 9. Square root of 8 times negative square root of 8. Okay. Now, you notice this is the opposite sign, correct? So what should I do? Cancel. So you're going to get what? 81. What's the square root of 64? 8. Very good. Take away 8 from 81. 70. 70. 73. So your final answer is what? 73. Very good. You're so smart. Now we go for rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator, what should you do to the middle sign or this sign here in the middle? You have to what? You have to change it. So you have to multiply times the same numbers but different sign. If you play in the bottom, you play in the top. Very good. So what you're going to get in the bottom yellow? Tell me. 5 times 5? 25. I'll just make space for myself, okay? 5 times negative 6? Negative 5 square root of 6. Okay, square root of 6 times 5. I'm sorry, this is positive, right? No, it's negative. Okay, negative, right? Okay, and this times this give you what? Positive 5 square root of 6. And square root of 6 times square root of 6 give you negative square root of what? 36. Now, can I kill? Do you like to kill? You like killing? So we kill this. Now, what's the square root of 36? 6. So what do you have? 25 minus, which is equal how much? 19. What about the top? No change. That's your final answer. Easy? So you put the answer here. Next question. He's asking to solve for what? X. To get rid of the square root, what should I do? Square it. Very good. You're so smart. Oh my God, this is really good. So X equal what?
121.
Easy as easy. Next question, number 34. To get rid of the square, what do you do? Yes, move the 1 to the other side. To get rid of the square root, what should I do? Square it. If you play in one side, right. So what you get here? 4x plus 1 equal what? X squared plus
2x.
Yes, plus 2x plus 1. Very good. Now, can I move everything to the left side? So you have what? Left side.
4x.
4x minus x squared plus minus 2x. Let me write it again, okay? So I'm gonna have what? 4x
Plus 1.
minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus x squared equal what? 0. Can I cancel? Cancel what with what? Plus 1 minus 1. And this together combine, what are you going to get?
2x.
You're going to get how much?
2x.
So negative x squared plus 2x equal what? 0. What is the greatest common factor?
X.
Well, a negative x. Negative x. So you get x plus 2 equal what? 0. So you have two solutions. Negative x equals 0 or x plus 2 equal what? 0. So x equal how much? Negative 2. And x equal how much? 0. What should I do in this case? You have to check answer. Since you have square root, you have to check the answer. Now, if I put 0 here,
X minus 2, not x plus 2.
yeah, I was testing you. Very good.
No, very small.
Very smart. You're so smart. So this one is a plus. Now, I need to test this, right? Test by what? Check. 0. If I put 0 here, what are you going to get? Plus 1, right? Minus 1 equal 0. This how much give you? Square root of 1. How much is square root of 1? 1 minus 1. Give you how much?
0.
0. So it's true, right?
Correct.
True. The next one is square root of 4, 2 plus 1 minus 1 equal 2. Okay? Up to here is clear? 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9 minus 1 equal 2. So that's 3 minus 1, 2. 2 equal 2, true. So your solution set is what? 0 and 2. So you put it here. Easy? Very good. All right, let's go for the next question. Finish. Okay, so let's close that.